Beautiful morning. If you wanna start dairy farming, here are 3 mistakes most new farmer makes. Mistake number 1: choosing the wrong breed for your area. Some cows struggle in hot climate or low pasture area. Pick breed suited to your environment like Friesian, Jersey, Mount Bliard, Brown Swiss, or local crossbreed. Mistake number 2: poor feeding during lactation. If cows do not get enough energy and protein, milk production crashes, especially during peak milking months. Number 3: skipping record keeping. Without tracking health, breeding, and milk yields, you can't improve or spot problem early. Good records equal better profit. Fix these mistakes early and dairy farming can build real wealth. Stay tuned with Dairy Vet Solutions and Farm Ishaq.